world! It's been a long time when I was here last time. I think I was here walking last time on my birthday, which was almost 2 months ago. So I think it's a good opportunity to see how's the life today in Kuta. Meanwhile, in Kuta Square, heading to beach walk area, we will see how's the world famous Kuta beach and stuff like this. So stay with me. Meanwhile, the situation in Kuta Square, some cyclists, McDonald's still open, Matahari permanently closed. Nothing has changed actually, the same thing like last time. However, last time it was last time, today is today, another day, another month, the same year and the same problems. So we will see. But actually, I think it's quite busier today because this Alphard coming from, I don't know where is the registration F coming from actually. Seems like it's slightly little bit more people than I was here last time. Because for example, this people at the front, they are just, seems like a local domestic tourists. So potentially seems more optimistic. Bagus Watch is open also for every Bagus Watch lovers. Alright, behind me is famous KFC. It's open also. I don't know why I have some strange weird accent today. However, if you go that direction behind me, you go into Legion direction, and now I'm heading into Kuta Beach, world famous Kuta Beach. Meanwhile, that's how it looks like. The shops remains closed still on this area. Famous Jamie Oliver kitchen, it's closed, and I think this people was interested to having a lovely dinner there, and that's how it looks, the area next to the front of the Hard Rock shop, Hard Rock Hotel. Actually, Hard Rock Hotel and Hard Rock Group, everything what is belongs to Hard Rock Group, which is Jamie Oliver shop, cafe, hotel, pool pass, day pass, everything is closed in this month, in August 2021. Similar like this place, however, this place I will think will be open tonight. Grand Ina Kuta Hotel. I think this hotel is always open actually. Whenever I pass it, it's always security and water in the fountains and stuff like this. I think it's open. This ice cream shop was closed already since the beginning. And now the biggest tragic is so sunny. I'm so sorry about the sun, but it's so bright. But Kuta Beach still till now remains totally closed. So this is kinda big tragic actually, really. I don't really understand why all the beaches around are open, but Kuta Beach and Canggu Eco Beach remains closed till now, and it's actually very quiet. There was some local kids, but after that, very quiet. Some cars from different islands of Indonesia only driving around. So basically the world famous Kuta Beach, Pantai Kuta, it's closed. However, some cars stopped by and making pictures of that. And same as me, I'm recording here, this is the lovely gate. So that means as the Kuta Beach, I think still remains the world famous place. It's very characteristic. However, unfortunately, it's closed. And here are some taxi drivers and stuff like this. To compare to the past time, well, I could say not much has changed. However, well, some people walking around, so that's actually at least something new. There are the horse taxi situation. I forgot the name, what's the call officially of this transport. However, I already talked once, it's very characteristic place. There are some tourists walking around. Beach unfortunately is closed, and the parking for motorbikes here still is closed, unfortunately. Still very quiet. Only the main gate to the beach seems like it's a little bit some action, but after that it's very quiet. And little interesting information regarding the Hard Rock Group. As I spoke with someone on Instagram, and they said as the Hard Rock is closed for the all entire August, which is mean maybe next week something will change. Maybe they know something what I don't know. However, they said as then on August they have a month off, let's say long holiday for the hotel, if we can say like that. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the life in the Kuta. This is the Starbucks, Mercure, and there are other businesses here, very quiet, and all of the businesses are still closed. or almost closed. Here is Kuta Bex, Yoshinoya. I think the Kuta Bex is open because there's people waiting for the customers. Obviously, really not so busy. That's how like looks the situation. I'm just thinking why the Kuta beach is closed. Actually, the only beaches what are closed right now in Bali, they are Kuta beach and Echo beach in Canggu, and yeah, that's how it looked like. And at the front used to be a world famous McDonald's, which is actually bankruptcy. Last year I make a special vlog about that. So that's how it looks, the situation. Some local people cycling, which is also very nice, and people sitting here trying to sell some tea at the front of the beach. But as you see, unfortunately, the beach is closed. And here is the McDonald's. Used to be the McDonald's, but somebody painting the walls inside, so maybe actually it's gonna be something new in the future, near future. And here is some action, guy playing ukulele. All right, here is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1 and only one warung open inside. And this is the Sheraton Bali Kuta Resort. Sheraton, I think, is open. And the Beach Walk Mall. And the Beach Walk Mall, only restaurants are open in Beach Walk Mall. Me and Winnie, we made a vlog here about maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that. Hello, how are you? They are happy, open, waiting for you. And that's how it looks like in general at the front of the Beach Walk. Well, you can comment below what do you think. It's busy, quiet, because in my opinion it's actually extremely quiet. Well, only restaurants are open, not much is happening. I'm walking on the middle of the parking where is the normally so many motorbikes. That's how it looks, the situation. I will maybe stop for a while to show you a little bit how it looks, the situation, just peacefully, so you can see. Well, not much is happening, really not much is happening. If you are thinking from the perspective of the businesses, most of the businesses are still closed. We're talking about the restaurants and, well, businesses on the beach. As you see, businesses, the beach is closed, so all the people who working, having a small warung, selling bintang, stuff like this, they cannot open for some reason. In Legian, in Seminyak is okay, in Canggu again they cannot, in Kuta they cannot, and the rest of the area is mixing. So that's how it looks, the situation. I think it's depends of the local region, or I don't know, regency. I really don't know why it's like that. However, that's probably the local authorities deciding which beach can be open, which one cannot be not. And restaurants in the Kuta, on the Kuta beach, unfortunately, most of them, they remain closed. Only few in the beach walk, maybe they looking for a little bit of hope, as they cannot, as they can earn some extra money. And yeah, that's how it looks in general, the life in Kuta in August 2021. So another example, people from Java Island, they are just stopped at the front of the Kuta beach, making pictures. Unfortunately, as you see, beach is still closed, but still brings the attention of the people, the tourists, local domestic tourists at least. All right, so that's how it looks, the situation in Kuta today, between the Kuta Square and world famous beach walk and Kuta beach. You can comment below, what do you think? In your opinion, is busy, quiet? In my opinion, it's very quiet, as you can see. That's the little update today, little bit vlog, little bit update from what's going on in Kuta. Well, I hope so you enjoyed. As always, thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.